Hi friends, this is Sri Ramulu. Today's topic is the equivalence between a magnetic shell and a current circuit. Okay. So before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is YouTube channel s.s space physics. All are capital letter. S is capital, both S are capital and P is also capital, and remaining are small, but give the gap here space. Okay friends, and today's topic is equivalence between a magnetic shell and a current circuit. So what is the same in the magnetic shell and a current circuit? Okay, that is we are going to calculate. So what thing can behave as a behaves as a one quantity as in the circuit. So that is I am going to calculate. Consider here, in case of a circular coil of a radius A, okay, radius A, it is radius, instead of R, A is taken, and carrying a current I, so that means through it a current is flowing. Okay, the magnetic induction at a distance x from the center, so that means at this point what we have to calculate, at a distance x we have to calculate, at the that is a point P we have to calculate B value we have to calculate. So already this is calculated. Okay, from the there is a one video also, so that video, watch that video how this equation has come. So from that this equation is taken, B is equals to mu naught I A square by 2 into A square plus x square power 3 by 2. Here we have taken coil with 1 ton only. If it is n ton, then simply we keep here n. So for 1 ton, no need to substitute a 1. Okay, that is why it is simply this is the equation. But here what x is what? Let it is a point P. Here to here distance is x. And what is A? This radius is A. But comparing with x, A value is very small. So that is why A is neglected here. So neglecting means in the place of A simply put 0 value. Then what we get? We get this equation. For it is now square cancelled, then cube will be there, x cube. Multiplying and dividing above equation with pi. So there is no pi in this equation. What I am doing? Multiplying here and dividing here. Okay. So just now I said A is a radius. Okay. Pi A square is what? Pi into radius square is called, it is a area. So in the place of this, what is written? A is written, area. Now keep it equation 2. Okay. In the previous video, I have written potential as dV is equals to mu naught by 4 pi m cos theta by r square is written. M cos theta by r square means x square here. So same formula is taking, but what he is saying, we know that magnetic induction on the axial line. Okay, axial line of a short magnet of magnetic moment m at a distance x from the axis of the magnet is. Okay, what axial line means? On the axis. On the axis means we cannot get any angle, so then theta value is 0. Substitute theta value is 0 here for axial, so then cos 0 is 1, m by x square will be there. So this is the equation. Okay, differentiating above equation, so there is a one relation between B and V as B is equals to minus dV by dx. This is the relation between these two things. Now in the place of V, substitute this value, that means and then differentiate this V with respect to x. Okay, then already these and m and 4 pi are constant, only 1 by x square will be differentiable. 1 by x square is what? Minus 2 by x cube. Already minus is there, again here we get minus become plus. Okay, that is why mu naught by 4 pi to m by x cube. Now let it is equation 3. Now compare equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 3 is mu naught by 4 pi m by x cube is there. And what is the 2? Now check these two things. Here also mu naught by 2 pi, mu naught by 2 pi, and x cube, but in the place of m what we have here, I into a is there. That is the difference in the place of m. What? IA. So from this can be written as bring a this side, then I is equals to m by a. So magnetic moment per unit area is what here it is showing. I means here current. Okay, so this is what current m by, but already in the previous video I uploaded as I explained pi is m by v. So that means how does work pi in the magnetic field? In the same manner current works in the circuit. So these two are equal, that is why it is equivalence heading is given. Okay, so see the heading is what? Equivalence between magnetic shell and current. In the magnetic shell pi is equal to in current I. So both are same. Whatever work it do in the magnetic material, same work will be done by the I. Okay, now this shows that a circular coil behaves a thin magnet of magnetic moment Ia, or circular coil behaves as a shell. The strength of the shell is given by pi is equals to magnetic moment by area. So magnetic moment by area is what? Moment is Ia. Ia by A cancel, then I. Thus a small circular coil carrying a current can be regarded as equivalent to a magnetic shell of area equal to loop area and of the strength of the current. Okay, so that is phi is equals to I. Okay friends, don't forget watching